With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a cannon missile is fired to hit a target at a horizontal distance r. However, it breaks into two equal parts at its highest point. One part A returned through the cannon and the other part is A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which statement is correct for the other part. So the solution of this question is, if the shell has not exploded, center of mass of shell will be target, that is R. So COM, center of mass, will start at R. So we can write here our R is equals to mass 1 into R1 plus mass 2 into R2, and this is divided by M1 plus M2. So from this we can write here, initially it cannon hit a horizontal, so this is M into 0 plus M into R, and this is divided by M plus M, that is 2M. So from this we get R is equals to, distance R will equals to, if we take M common, so we get M, we have MR only as this term is 0 and this is divided by 2M. So from this we can write here M. So this is R by 2 here, or we can say that this is the distance X here. So this can be equals to X by 2. So from this we can write here our X is equals to 2R. So it will, from this we can say that it will fall, part B will fall at a distance of R beyond the target, as it is 2R here, and now the other part will fall at the distance of R beyond the target here, and let mass to be M, let here mass be 2M and the peak velocity is B here. So the part that went back into the cannon will have the velocity minus V. So it must be negative. So we can write here. So the part that went back to cannon is equals to minus V here. Will have the velocity this here, and velocity of the second part will become here. So we can write here velocity is 2mv, mass into velocity minus m, and this is minus v here, and this is divided by m. So from this we get velocity is equals to 3mv, and this is divided by m. So this is 3 divided by 3mv. So this is 3v here. So this is the velocity of second part here. We can write this is v dash here. So from this, so it is the 3 time of velocity as the part. It is 3 times here. So the kinetic energy will become here. We know that kinetic energy is half mv square. So we have half m into 3v square. So this will equals to 9 time of kinetic energy here. So this is the answer. So we check which option is correct here. So our option A is correct, will fall at the distance, and we have 9 time kinetic energy of A just after explosion. So our option D is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.